What is up, guys? Today I decided to film a little solo session after school. I was at school today early morning. Then I was just chilling at home. I ate something small. Now I'm gonna work out solo edition. And yeah, I will do some wrestling and then shoulder rehab. I'm on a rehab program right now. I'm doing my shoulder rehab exercises. So yeah, just come with me. A little solo session in this beautiful, beautiful green grass area, grass field. All right, guys, it started raining heavy, but training doesn't stop. All right, here we go. All right, guys, the rain is pouring. I couldn't film at all because my phone would have broken or got some water damage. So I didn't film the whole wrestling. But it's time for some shoulder rehab. Yeah, we're here at the outdoor gym. Let's get it. All right, guys, here we go. All right, guys, I got 3 exercises left. The push-ups and pull-ups are gonna look weird because they're focused on the shoulder and the shoulder only. So the push-up is like this. You use this muscle on your shoulder and you press it back to here, and then you go back. So you press them in, go back. And then the pull-up is the same thing, but instead of going like this, you go like this or like this. So yeah, that's a very nice exercise actually. Underrated. It looks really simple, but it's effective.